Are you still struggling to make any money online? Well, Fiverr just might be your perfect opportunity, because there are many people just like yourself that run a full-time business on Fiverr. In fact, there are even some that make 6 and 7 figures on there. Hi, I'm Ronnie Rocksmith. I'm an ex-offshore worker that hated being away from my family all the time, so I turned to online marketing to try and make a living for myself. Now I have many ways that I make money online, and using Fiverr is just one of them. After learning how everything works for years now, I've decided to help others, so I created a training course called Fiverrly. In it, I teach everything I've learned over the years about becoming successful with Fiverr, so you can hit a home run right out of the gate rather than striking out like most wannabe entrepreneurs. For instance, you'll learn my top secret strategies for uncovering super profitable gig trends. Plus, you'll learn a foolproof method for working smarter and not harder. And that's just a small fraction of what you'll learn in my course. So click the button below and get started today.